Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Qinux Talkbuds. So as you can see right here, it is basically an earbud that helps you with translating different languages. So for example, you're from America and you go to China and then you talk to someone that's Chinese and then they cannot speak English. And then they basically speak Chinese to you and then the earbuds will automatically translate what they're saying on your phone. So there are many apps like this. As you can see right here on Amazon, they have no reviews, and basically it's not that popular yet, so it's very hard to judge. However, these earbuds are just the same as others, wherein they do work, but they're not as accurate in translating the language efficiently. However, they do help with the translating. However, they're not as great as marketed. So when buying these, you can try it out. However, please do take caution and do some research before buying some of these, since you may be disappointed with the quality and how it works. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.